Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can easily clean the kitchen range hood oily filter. So you can see here it is very oily, and how you can use this simple hack to clean it easily. So first of all, we need to remove it. So I'm going to remove it out, and then we put it into a basket. So remove them, and then we're going to place it in the basket. Now within this basket, get some hot water. And we'll put in some laundry powder. Then fill up the basket. Okay, don't forget to give it a good mix so that we dissolve all the laundry powder. Now this is extremely oily, greasy and sticky. So we're just going to place it in here. And you need to soak it overnight, or at least for around 8 to 10 hours. So place it in the basket and let it soak. See, very greasy and very sticky. Sticking to the plastic bag here. I'm going to take it off, and then we put it in here and let it soak. Now this is just 5 minutes of soaking, and you can see it come off easily already after 5 minutes. If you soak it overnight, it should come out easily. So allow this to soak in the hot water overnight. Okay, so here after a day of soaking in the water, you can see the oil start to coming off now, and you can see how easy it is to clean now. All the oil can be brushed off with a toothbrush right here. So if you want, you can just put it in a tap and spray it off. It will come off really easy. So here you can see all the oil coming off real easy right here. So we've got all the oil here. That's oil. You can see I can just use a brush and it come right off. So in the water, and that's it. So just soak it overnight. In the morning you should be able to brush it off real easy. And then we're just gonna flip it over, and then this side is really dirty, as you can see right here. And I should be able to just use a brush and brush it off. So yeah, that's it. Just basically soak it in laundry soap or laundry powder and have it soak overnight. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.